Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious and Brasia Kitchen. Adishema, Mimo Bibiara Akwaba. Today we're going to make mackerel in air fryer, Ghana salmon. What it? Second Nisha. No wait. This is one month sound. Two trying to say yeah. No, I turn it the other side and this is it. No, wait. Two trying to say now. Saying, oh, say I had nice in shape. I hate it. And I hand to 20 every shape. In this case, where then you're gonna hold like this, like that. Then you get everything out. So just pull everything out. Okay, see, everything is coming here. So. Like that. Knitting if you're so straight like this, then you just push and everything will come. Maybe have it out. Oh, so not just a one pie. Then see, then now out. Okay, then we are you wash it. Okay, so cutting it from in this case, our fish is nicely clean. Yep, with the lemon, it cleaning. Fine. Now, if you're trying to send out baby, so be line so be baking the whole, so be grilling into half full. I leave that one to you. Say, make lemon. Every cleaning in our fine. And fish in the white fit. Clean it fine. I come. Season I ever be used for the fish. Chili powder, salt, and onion powder, white pepper, and ginger, and cloves, coriander, fennel seeds, and tarragon, and I'm a blended. Until Sanya may be in the baby. Okay. See, me the mentioning. I made the make pepper. I feel me the next spices and so. The bread and the sugar. Okay. You have more. I made it. I prefer one of it. Yeah, they are shape. Hey, Rafi. And being so a dog. And being so a dog. Hey. Yeah, baby, air fry and fishing. By a reuse air fry. Any may use it for years. And also you might find a totonam comma until the better fishing may be in share the outcome. Okay, I wanna start just like the any other grill or air fry BBA. Okay, into say no netty. Basin in not what the ashim. Okay. And this is the natural system. Now, like I say, which made it I did have a bakey. And also, to me, it's and then say if sometimes we are chicken, not a washer, not a becca top or not. It's in the and say, and then it's also a and say, okay. Now, cover no, which me be until you know separate. Now, what to me a choo. Tin air nice. Tin we are do other shema. Now I cover what the society. Until let's start. And I feel I will in to me. See now what the asset to me. Until So we check it. I don't know. Na yedo until we must you have to be careful. Tin not just say I to me hang say on the next standing. Now they are checking. Now they are checking to say that. Okay, see, I had another son and only. See, another son and only. And only yet easier. Returning Bibia and your way. And so when I said, if I back on to send me a thing, to send me and then on it's a week. Timmy. So there's a 10 minutes each, and there's a okay. So maybe special 5 minutes more. Okay, I come up. I come up. Then up so did it. I fine. Yo, Fede Yabaha. Okay, into me, this is totally nice. Ready to chop. Okay, into me, no good. And that air fry wing so little. I don't see you. I didn't see you. And yeah, come on, okay. You're not seeing it. Now you'll cry about it. I know so. Oh, you'll let her see me. Indeed. Yeah, I prefer. I prefer new wave did and I say air fry nini. Choosing the outfit. One thing about the uni say unya, you know, so lines no our fish no so unya so lines no fish no. But to me no need now work perfect, equally perfecto. Hey, me still been so I am ready to have say tinende. Jumping inside the fish. Boom, bum. Hey, me enjoy. I'm from a plate in bra. And in dizzy. Wait there. Back can see me. Contemporary fry papa view. They say. Fish and then I see him. Go be cacra, boom. Wait there, by the way.